Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
I. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a DH haul. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be posting this sometime in January, so it's going to be my first DH haul of 2025. Yay! So let's get right into it. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now let's get right into it. So I am filming this with my Vlogmas videos because there is one of these are going to be a Christmas gift. Okay, before we get into the video, if you guys have questions on any of these pieces at all, please DM me on Instagram or check out my Instagram bio. I will not be able to help you on this YouTube video in the comment section. You'll have to message me on Instagram. Secondly, if you love this type of content and you want to see it 24/7 and this is all you want to see from me, definitely subscribe to my Patreon. I will have it linked down below. I do have a free trial going on right now, so if you are interested in binge watching my older content, as well as I've made a couple of my newer videos available to my free trial members as well. So definitely go and check that out if you are interested, and let's get right into the haul. I got 2 of this brand's bags, so I don't know which one is which, but this is the first one. This is the dust bag that it comes in. Very, very nice. I love it when things come in dust bags because they are so functional, especially when, see, like I'm storing this in my closet and there's like fluff already on it. So yeah, it just keeps the bag not dusty and it keeps it safe in this, especially when you're traveling. So the first one, oh, okay, I can feel, I know which one this is. Okay, so it's this one right here. I know you guys will love this. Are you ready? Look at this, you guys. It is so gorgeous. I love this one. This is the one that I'm going to be giving as a gift. So this has really beautiful smooth leather. I absolutely love the leather on this one, and this is something, again, there's a couple bags that I've purchased in the past few videos and stuff like that I have been wanting to keep for myself, and this is definitely one of them. I just don't know how much use I would get out of this one because it is such a like smooth leather moment. Like I don't wear a lot of stuff that I'm currently wearing today. Like stuff like this I think would look really nice with this bag, like just like a cute, you know, this is from Shein. It's just a cute little cardigan with a plain white top underneath, and I have makeup and accessories on. I think that's the perfect time to wear this type of bag, but I don't wear this on an everyday basis. I'm usually in scrubs or workout clothes. So this doesn't go with my whole style or anything like that on a daily basis, but this bag is absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna take this off so you guys can have an idea of what the hardware looks like. So it is a beautiful gold hardware. I want to almost call this like an antique gold. It's definitely like an antique gold. This is not a shiny gold whatsoever, but it is a beautiful logo. And let's move on to the interior. So this part is magnetic. You do get a magnetic closure, and you get a 3-compartment, almost like accordion style bag, so it's perfect if you do have a lot of stuff you want to carry with you. This front pocket right here is perfect for your phone, and then you have a middle compartment as well as a back compartment. So this bag, I would definitely classify this as like a small size bag, but it does carry quite a bit. Like you can store quite a lot of things in here, which is nice. You can definitely even fit a full-size wallet in here if you wanted to. So it is a very functional piece, which I love. This is what the chain looks like for it. It's very nice, heavy duty chain. I love this part. I love the fact that this part right here for the shoulder does have that leather piece so you don't hurt your shoulders. On the inside of the bag, you do get this little key clochette thing, which I'll show you guys in a second. There's also tag and everything like that. And then the inside of the bag is this really nice velvet, almost like it's not a microfiber lining. It definitely feels like velvet. It feels very, very nice and bougie. So that is the inside right there. You get a mini compartment all the way at the back right there. And it does have all of the correct logos and all of that type of thing. That's not a logo, but you know what I mean when I show it to you. And you get this for the front of the bag as well. And I think that stuff like this, like small accessories like this, are so cute. And you do get a keychain on the inside. I don't know who actually uses these as like an actual keychain, but I've gotten a few bags with this. I'm sure you guys have seen this before on other bags, other designer bags. They do include this, but like I said, I don't know who uses that as an actual key ring. So what I like about this bag too is it's very easy to store. You can just shove most of the chain onto the inside of the bag, and there you go. There's your bag. This is how you store it in your closet. It doesn't take a whole lot of space, and it's just a very, very amazing bag. So I have shown this on Patreon probably like 2 months ago already, so you guys are getting this video super behind. I think I showed this sometime in November on Patreon, so if you are interested, again, definitely check me out there if you like this type of content, because you will see pieces like this a lot sooner than I post them on YouTube. There's some pieces that I actually have that I've almost had for a full year that I haven't actually shown in a YouTube video yet. Next up, we are going to be moving on to a pair of shoes before we get into the last one, which is a bag. Now this pair of shoes I have actually been wanting for quite a while now, and it's not what I was expecting, especially with the packaging. So let's show you guys what this is. I love buying shoes on the Gate because I've had great experiences. I have a pair that I absolutely adore that I wore all over Japan, like 12 kilometers a day of walking, that were so comfortable. So I have had no issues with shoes on the Gate. And the current pair that I'm wearing all the time right now that I basically live in are my Tasmans. You guys have seen that in a previous haul as well as a short. I love those shoes too. So yeah, getting shoes from the Gate has been no issue. No issue with sizing, no issue with it being uncomfortable or anything like that. So I decided on getting a pair of Dunks. So this packaging is creepy as hell. I don't know what they were. This is a collab with, I think, Strange Love or something like that. I don't know what Strange Love is. I don't know if it's an artist or something, but I saw the packaging and I was like, that's interesting. I've never seen that on a pair of shoes before, but I like this because it does come in a box, and it comes in another box too. So this part actually slides open, and you do get your box here. It's upside down. Upside down. There we go. You get the box here on the inside. This is more of a me packaging. I like this color. It's one of my favorite colors. But this is what it looks like. So you get 2 boxes. Sometimes you order shoes on the Gate and they come with no boxes and they're squished into a bag. So I do like the fact that this one has, you know, attention to detail, and it comes in 2 boxes. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want to do a short unboxing these. I haven't done that yet, so I'm showing you guys these first. Like I said, Patreon has already seen this a long time ago, but these are what they look like right here, and they are just super interesting and nothing like I have. So these are the Valentine's Day edition Dunks, and they're an interesting shoe. So I will definitely be wearing these, but I don't know how I feel about them right now. I think that they would be definitely a great time to wear. These would be on Valentine's Day, but yeah, it's like crushed velvet, which I was not expecting, and it's crushed velvet here on the check mark too. So if you guys are into that, then there we go. This is the Strange Love collab. It does have the little Strange Love logo right there, and the inside of the shoe looks like this. It does have a really interesting looking insole on the inside. This is what I want to say, like, I think Strange Love was like an artist, or is an artist or something like that, because it does look like a very artistic looking shoe. I can pull out the insole so you guys can see it really quick. So it looks like this. That is what the interior insole looks like. And then the next interesting thing is the bottom of the shoe. There is this pattern, as you guys can see, that's printed on the sole, and then it has this pink jelly-like thing on top of it. I don't know what this is called, but like the sole, it has like a pink jelly-like sole on top of the actual sole, which has like patterns on it. So the shoe is definitely very artistic looking, and it's definitely not something that I would really go for, but I went out of my comfort zone and I decided to try these out. And I don't know what you guys think about them. Do you think they're cute? I think I want to review more shoes in the new year, to be honest. Like, I think I want more shoes. Even though I don't really need more shoes to review, I really don't need purses to review. I think I just need shoes. And the laces on here do say Strange Love, so it's very, like I said, very attention to detail. These are very cute. And they also come with a pair of white laces, which I think might even like make this more wearable. So these are the pair of Dunks. I'll kind of just do like a quick little 360 of them so you guys can see the detail and stuff up close. So that's that. I think these are my first pair of Dunks. I usually go for the J's, like the high top ones. I don't know what they're called. The Air Force ones. I think they're called Air Force ones. I don't know. But I don't tend to go for the low Dunks like these, but I thought I would try them. Okay, and last but not least, we have another bag to show you. And it's the same brand as the first bag that I showed you guys today because I'm obsessed. This is definitely like my favorite designer brand of all time. So this one comes in this dust bag. It's a little bit different than the first one I showed you. It does have a ribbon, and I kind of ruined the dust bag a little bit. I pulled this out too far, so oh well. What matters is the bag, and you guys are going to be floored by this bag because I was floored by this bag. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and if you subscribe to my Patreon, you can watch the unboxing of this as a free member. Just FYI. So let's go ahead and take this out. Yep, it is the Kate clutch bag. So I'm gonna take this off so you guys can get the full effect, because I feel like it's not really giving the full effect right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. Look at this beautiful shiny hardware. It's been so hard for me to find shiny hardware. I don't know why, but I keep getting bags from the Gate, from this brand in particular, with the antique vintage hardware, which I mean, I don't hate that, but I've always wanted shiny gold hardware, and I finally got shiny gold hardware. So this bag is absolutely stunning. It is stunning. The leather on here is this nice pebbled leather. I'm not a huge fan of smooth leather. I like textured leather. I like caviar. I like this pebbled leather situation that this bag is. I love all of that, and this is the perfect size clutch bag. So let's go ahead and open it really quickly. So it looks like this on the inside. It does have this magnetic closure, and then the rest of the chain is on the inside, because that's how I store my bags. I just store it with the chain on the inside. So this chain is giving, like, it is giving rich girl vibes. It's so nice and heavy as well, and shiny, of course. And then the best part of the chain is this little block that looks like a gold block. Do you guys see that on the inside of the bag? This is supposed to be in the center. I need to move it. You can actually move it. It's not stuck on the side there or anything like that, but it does have the company name and all of that. Hint, hint, wink, wink. And then the inside of the bag has one pocket. So it's basically just one main compartment. It is a material. It's not like a microfiber lining or velvet or anything like that. It is just plain old material. And then you do get a little tiny pocket here on the back that you can probably store like a chapstick or a card or something back there, like a business card. I don't know what you would store back there, but this is mostly like a good like dressy bag for, say, a Christmas party, people are still having Christmas parties in January. Like mine isn't until the end of January. So like this is just giving, you know, gala Christmas party vibes. I have seen certain celebrities from my favorite show, which is 90 Day Fiancé, rock this as like an everyday bag going to the mall and stuff like that, which you totally could do with the right outfit, I think. And you do get the logo here on the top as well, if you are wondering. But yeah, I am floored by this bag. It is absolutely stunning. And if you don't have this bag yet, if you don't have the Kate bag, then definitely get this one, because I have not found one in this good of a quality like ever. So I am absolutely so impressed with this. Next time I think I'm gonna try the envelope one, and I think I want it in silver. That is all for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found some really cool pieces. Hopefully this was helpful for you. And like I mentioned earlier, if you need help trying to find any of these pieces or anything like that, if you're curious, you have questions, then definitely message me on Instagram or check out my IG bio. And I think that's about it. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys next time with a new video. Bye.
I let you